Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the something went wrong error in Canva quickly and easily. This error usually appears because of internet problems, corrupted cache files, or temporary Canva server issues. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the problem disappears. Next, refresh the Canva page or completely restart the app, because temporary glitches can sometimes trigger this error message. Another useful fix is clearing your browser cache or Canva app cache. Corrupted temporary files often cause loading and editing issues. You should also update the Canva app or browser to the latest version, because outdated software may stop Canva from working properly. If you are using a browser, try switching to Google Chrome, because Canva usually runs more smoothly there. Disabling browser extensions like ad blockers may help too. Finally, log out of your Canva account, sign back in, and try again later, because temporary server outages can also cause the something went wrong error to appear unexpectedly for many users unexpectedly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.